Good day everyone. I'm Ryan James Mendoza Abaca. I take up Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Sa ngayon, mga ginigili ko manonood at tagapakinig, naririto ako sa inyong harapan upang ibigay ang aking mga natutunan sa subject na Law Enforcement Agency. Republic Act Number 6975 in December 13, 1990. An act establishing the Philippine National Police under a recognized Department of the Interior and Local Government and for other purposes. Is a 10th Congress, Republic Act Number 8551 in February 25, 1998. An act providing for the reform and reorganization of the Philippine National Police and for other purposes, amending certain provisions of Republic Act Number 6975 entitled An Act Establishing the Philippine National Police under a reorganized Department of the Interior and Local Government and for the other purposes. Qualification of Chief of City Municipal Police Station. Lateral entry of officers into the PNP indicated in Section 33 of Republic Act 6975. Lateral entry. From a particular rank, the officer can be promoted or moved from one rank to another without the need of going through all rank classification. Example, Philippine National Commission Office to Philippine Commission Office. Commissioned Office, Police Commissioned Officer, Inspector to higher ranks, Non-Commissioned Police to SPO4 to lower ranks, Nurses and Dentists, Inspector rank, Lawyer, Senior Inspector, PNPA Graduate, Inspector rank, Licensed Criminologist from Philippine National Commission Office to Inspector by virtue of lateral entry. Section 33. Lateral entry of officers into the PNP. PO1 to SPO4 Police Non-Commissioned Officers, Inspector and above rank, Commissioned Officers. Lateral entry. Dentist, optometrist, nurse, engineer, or graduate of forensic science. Doctor or medicine, lawyer or member of the bar, chaplain shall be appointed to the rank of Senior Inspector. Issued license to security guards. Here are some lists of 10 operational support unit. Maritime Police Unit, it is a police function over Philippine territorial waters and rivers. Police Intelligence Unit, it is a intelligence and counterintelligence operation unit of PNP information gathering. Police Security Unit, it gives security to government officials, visiting dignitaries and private individual authorized to be given protection. Criminal Investigation Unit, it is monitoring investigation of crime involving economic sabotage and other crime of such magnitude and extent. Special Action Force, it is a elite unit, mobile force or reaction units of PNP assigned in civil disturbance control, counter-insurgency, hostage-taking, rescue operation. Narcotic Unit, it is enforcement of law relative to the citizenry against dangerous and other prohibited drugs and substances. Aviation Support Unit, to secure the airports and countries against offensive terrorist act, operational control and all airport agencies and operations. Traffic Management Unit, to enforce traffic laws and regulation. Medical and Dental Center, it is a providing dental and medical service to PNP of the abolished NAPOLCOM inspection, investigation and intelligence branch. And last, Civil Relation Unit, implement and plans and programs to promote relationship of PNP and community branch. Section 24. Powers and function of PNP. Enforce all laws and ordinances relative to the protection of lives and properties. Maintain peace and order. Ensure public safety. Investigate and prevent crime. Arresting criminal offenders. Assist in the prosecution, make arrest, conduct search and seizure, detain an arrested person for a period not beyond what is prescribed by the law, in charge of the task of informing a person about their rights when detained, issue licenses for the possession of firearms and explosives in accordance to the law, supervise and control training of all security agencies, issue license to operate security agencies as well as to the security guards and private detectives for the practice of the profession. Section 27. Manning levels. Police to population ratio. Standard police to men ratio 1:500. Minimum police to men ratio 1:1000. Urban areas police to men ratio has higher ratio. Section 29. Rank classification of PNP during Duterte's presidency. PO1 is to patrolman and patrolwoman. PO2 to police corporal. PO3 to police staff sergeant. PO1 to police master sergeant. PO2 police senior master sergeant. PO3 police chief master sergeant. PO4 police executive master sergeant. Inspector to police lieutenant. Senior inspector to police captain. Chief inspector to police major. Superintendent to police lieutenant colonel. Senior superintendent to police colonel. Chief superintendent police brigadier general. Director to police major general. Deputy director general is to police lieutenant general. Director general is to police general. Key positions in the PNP. Police General, Head of PNP, Position Title, PNP Chief. Police Lieutenant General, Second in Command, Position Title, Deputy Chief for Administration. Police Lieutenant General, Third in Command, Position Title, Deputy Chief for Operation. Police Lieutenant General, in national level, Chief of the Directoral Staff of PNP. Director, Head of the Staff Division and the Directoral Staff. Position, Director of the Directoral Staff. Police Brigadier General, Head of Internal Affairs Service, Head of Inspectorate Division. Position, Inspector General. Chief Superintendent, Head of Support Units, either administrative or operational. Position, Director. Police Major General, Head of NCR, NCR-PO. Position, NCR Director. Police Brigadier General, Regional Offices of PNP. Position, Regional Director. Police Brigadier General, NCR District Offices. Position, Provincial Director. Police Lieutenant Colonel, District Offices within provinces. Position, District Director. Police Major, Municipal or City Offices. Position, Chief of Police. General Qualification for Appointment in PNP. Section 30 of Republic Act 6975. Iko-cross out siya sa Section 14 of Republic Act 8551. Minimum qualification to join PNP must be a citizen of the Philippines, of the Filipino citizen. A person good moral conduct, clearance and certificate must have passed the psychiatric, psychological, drug test and physical test that was administered by PNP or any other NAPOLCOM accredited government hospital. Must be a college graduate. Possesses a formal baccalaureate degree. Must have eligibility. Board exam passers or civil service commission exam or entrance qualifying exam of NAPOLCOM or let passer. Must not be discharged dishonorably from any military employment. Must not be convicted by final judgment of an offense or crime involving moral turpitude. Height requirement. In male, 1.62 meter or 5'4". Female, 1.57 meter or 5'2". Weight requirement must not exceed or go beyond 5 kg of the standard weight corresponding your height, age, and sex. Age requirement, 21 to 30 years old. Continuing in character. When there is an evaluation, one must always pass it. There must be no derogatory record, administratively, criminally, civilly, and maintain weight requirement. Section 31. Appointment of PNP officers and members. PO2 to PO4. Appointed by PNP Regional Director if regional personnel. If to be appointed in national level, the officer must be appointed by Chief PNP. The appointment must be attested by Civil Service Commission. Inspector to Superintendent. Appointed by Chief PNP with the recommendation from immediate superior, and the appointment must be attested by Civil Service Commission. Senior Superintendent to Deputy Director General, appointed by President and with the recommendation of Chief PNP and endorsement for the Chairman of Civil Service Commission and with confirmation from Commission on Appointment. Director General, appointed by the President from among the senior officers down to the rank of Chief Superintendent, subject to the confirmation by Commission on Appointment. Term of office must not exceed in 4 years except in times of national emergency. Section 32 of 6975. Iko-cross out siya sa Section 21 of 8551. Examination of policemen. National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM, conduct and administered promotional examination for policemen. Section 34 of 6975. Iko-cross out siya sa Section 22 of 8551. Qualification of Chief of City and Municipal Police Station. Discuss general qualification of the Chief of City or Municipal Police Station. To be appointed as Chief of City Police Station, one must be a graduate of Bachelor of Law or fulfill Master's degree program in Public Administration, Criminology, Criminal Justice, Law Enforcement, National Security Administration, Defense Studies, and other related recognized institutions for learning. To be appointed as Chief of Municipal Police Station, one must be at least finished second year of Bachelor of Law or earned 12 units in Master's degree program. When graduate of PNPA, one must passes the general qualification for initial appointment to the PNP. Requirement for regular promotion. The PNP member concerned must first successfully pass the corresponding promotional examination given by the NAPOLCOM or Commission. The PNP member has passed a bar exam or a corresponding board examination for technical services and other profession. The PNP member concerned has satisfactorily completed the appropriate and accredited course in the PNPA or other equivalent institutions. The said PNP member has satisfactorily passed the required psychiatric, psychological, and drug tests. The said PNP member has been cleared by the PLEB or People's Law Enforcement Board and the Office of the Ombudsman of any complaint offered against him or her. Requirement for special promotion. No examination must be passed. No required course to be completed in a training institution. The PNP member concerned must show act of conspicuous courage and gallantry at the risk of his or her life, beyond or above the call of duty, such as conspicuous courage and gallantry shall be validated by the NAPOLCOM based on its established criteria. Section 38 of Republic Act 6975. Iko-cross out siya sa Section 33 of 8551. Promotion. Paragraph A and B of Section 38 were replaced. Promotion. An act of elevating personnel from a lower position to a higher rank or position which is either by regular or special process. Section 39. Compulsory retirement. 56 years old is the compulsory retirement. NAPOLCOM can allow retention of service of police, brigadier general, and above rank for an extendable period of 1 year. Section 40, optional retirement. When you already accumulate 20 years of satisfactory active service in PNP as an officer, you can request for retirement that is subject for the approval of NAPOLCOM. Plebe composition. Any member of Sangguniang Panglungsod or Bayan chosen by respective Sangguniang. Any barangay captain of city or municipality concerned chosen by the Association of Barangay Captain. 3 members came from community chosen by local peace and order council must be a respected members of community and know from their probity and integrity. 1 woman, 2 others are a member of the bar or lawyer or college graduate or a principal of Central Elementary School in the said locality. Plebe. It is created by Sangguniang Panglungsod or Sangguniang Bayan. Support units of PNP. Administrative Support Unit. Crime Laboratory. It is a providing scientific, technical, investigative aid support of the PNP to the government investigative agencies to examine, evaluate, and identify physical evidences involved in crime, medical, chemical, biological, and physical evidence. 2. Logistic Unit. It is a procurement, distribution, and logistical requirement, firearms and ammunition, supply of PNP. 3. Communication Unit. It is establishing effective police communication network. 4. Computer Center. It is a design, implementation, and maintenance of database system of PNP. 5. Finance Center. It is a providing finance services to PNP. 6. Civil Security Unit. It is a provide administrative services and general supervision over organization, business operation, and activities of organized private detectives, security guards, company, guardhouse, to supervise licensing and registration of firearm and explosive, to approve of license to operate private security agencies, to issue license to security guards. In our subject of law enforcement organization and administration, there was one and last guest lecturer among our entire first year students in criminology who was invited by our instructor, Ma'am Police Corporal Mary Jinke Ebora Garcia, who discussed regarding the contents of the law enforcement administration. Every single criminology students like me learned a lot from Ma'am's discussion, as well as our questions were answered by Ma'am in order to shape our future profession as a good police someday. All the possibilities related to law enforcement administration were presented by Ma'am, and she also applied good explanation in all her presentations so that we can better understand and all of them, so that it will be clear to all of us that should or may not shoot our pursued profession as a police officer someday. Ma'am Police Corporal Mary Jinke Ebora Garcia explained various sections and laws and various aspects that will strengthen the law enforcement administration so that we can better know all the factors of the PNP organization. Republic Act 8551, Philippine National Police Reform and Reorganization Act of 1998. Attrition system for uniformed personnel. Internal Affairs Service. Creation of women's desk in all police stations and the formulation of gender sensitivity program. Attrition by attainment of maximum tenure in position. Chief, PNP Chief. Ang maximum tenure niya ay 4 years. Deputy Chief, ang maximum tenure niya ay 4 years. Director of the Staff Services, ang maximum tenure niya ay 6 years. Provincial City Directors, Ang maximum tenure niya ay 9 years.